We are going to be making this beautiful pattern today, which unbelievably is just a 1-row repeat. We're going to start by working one of the front panels. We're going to work some foundation single crochets. So just go ahead and start with a chain 2 and insert your hook into the first chain you made and pull up a loop. Then go ahead and yarn over and pull through 1 to create a chain, and then yarn over, pull through 2 to create a single crochet. Then go ahead and turn your little work to the side and insert your hook under both legs of the most recent chain you just made and pull up a loop. And then create another chain with a yarn over, pull through 1 and create a single crochet with a yarn over, pull through 2. And you're just going to continue repeating that. And this makes a nice stretchy start to our project. For row 2, we're going to turn and we're going to start with a chain 2, 1, 2, and you're going to skip that very first stitch. And we're going to work 1 half double crochet into the back loop only of that next stitch. So just grab that back loop and work your half double crochet. And then in the next stitch, you're going to work into the front loop only and work a half double crochet. So just alternate those, half double crochet into the back loop only of the next stitch, half double crochet into the front loop only of that next stitch. And you're going to go all the way across. When you get to your final stitch on this row, just go ahead and work into both loops. Then you're just going to repeat that row. So here's our little finished front panel. So go ahead and work that same front panel again for the other front panel. Now we're going to join our 2 front panels together and work the back. To join our pieces, we're going to start with a chain 2 and just do what you've been doing, work that same row. Then you're going to want to grab your next piece. So here's our other front panel. And we're just going to continue working across. So you're going to join where you fastened off before. So we worked back, front, that counts as the back. So then go ahead and work into the front panel, into the front stitch, and then into the back loop of the next stitch. And you're just repeating across. For the back, you're just going to continue repeating that row until you get the length that you like. And there you go, an adorable wearable design to wrap you in supreme comfort.